dedicate this video to their precious students on this Children's Day. Let's proceed with the caring words of Reverend Father Dr. Paul Matthew Thamrachari CMI, Secretary, K. Carmel Group of Schools.
Dear and respected principal, teachers, parents and children, greetings of the day. Dear and loving children, it is your day. You are so precious to God and men. We love you. Future of the society depends on your performance. Today, the society spends its time and energy to mold you so that you build a better society tomorrow. May God bless you. Thank you.
Some like listening to music, some to sing at heart's content. But what about them who can sing for those whose faces, smiles and words are the symphony extremely and pleasure? Here plays the tune of bliss and harmony.
प्यार भरे सपने सजाएगी, छोटा सा बंगला बनाएगी, एक नई दुनिया
हमने बहाने से चुपके ज़माने से पलकों के पर्दे में घर कर लिया। हमने बहाने से चुपके ज़माने से पलकों के पर्दे में घर कर लिया। तेरा सहारा मिल गया है जिंदगी। ला 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 ला, तेरा सहारा मिल गया है जिंदगी।
ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले, ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले। हमने भी तेरे हर एक गम को गले से लगाया है ना। ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले, ऐ जिंदगी।
आए हो मेरी जिंदगी में तुम बहार बनके। आए हो मेरी जिंदगी में तुम बहार बनके। आए हो मेरी जिंदगी में तुम बहार बनके। मेरे दिल में यूं ही रहना, हाय मेरे दिल में यूं ही रहना। तुम प्यार प्यार बनके आए हो मेरी जिंदगी में तुम बहार बनके। आँखों में तुम बसे हो सपने हजार बनके। आँखों में तुम बसे हो सपने हजार बनके। मेरे दिल में यूं ही रहना, हाय मेरे दिल में यूं ही रहना। तुम प्यार प्यार बनके आए हो मेरी जिंदगी में तुम बहार बनके।
हे आती रहेंगे बहारें, जाती रहेंगे बहारें। दिल की नजर से दुनिया को देखो, दुनिया सदा ही हंसी है।
आती रहेंगी बहारें, जाती रहेंगी बहारें। दिल की नजर से दुनिया को देखो, दुनिया सदा ही हंसी है। ओ आती रहेंगी बहारें, जाती रहेंगी बहारें। दिल की नजर से दुनिया को देखो, दुनिया सदा ही हंसी है। ओ आती रहेंगी बहारें, जाती रहेंगी बहारें।
मैंने तो बस यही मांगी है दुआएं, फूलों की तरह हम सदा मुस्कुराए। मैंने तो बस यही मांगी है दुआएं, फूलों की तरह हम सदा मुस्कुराए। गाते रहे रोकेगी यूं ही जाए बीत जिंदगी। ओ आती रहेगी बहारें, जाती रहेंगी बहारें। जिनकी नजर से दुनिया को देखो, दुनिया सदा ही हंसी है। आती रहेंगे बहारें, जाती रहेंगे बहारें।
तुमसे है जब जीवन में सहारे, जहाँ जाए नजर वही है नजारे। तुमसे है जब जीवन में सहारे, जहाँ जाए नजर वही है नजारे। लेके आएगी हर नई बहार रंग भरा प्यार और खुशी। आती रहेंगी बहारें, जाती रहेंगी बहारें।
की नजर से दुनिया को देखो, दुनिया सदा ही हंसी है। ओ आती रहेंगी बहारें, जाती रहेंगी बहारें।
तू ही मेरी है सारी ज़मीं, चाहे कहीं से चलूं, तुझ पे ही आके रुकूं। तेरे सिवा मैं जाऊं कहाँ, कोई भी राह चलूं, तुझ पे ही आके रुकूं। तुम मिले तो लम्हे थम गए, तुम मिले तो सारे गम गए। तुम मिले तो मुस्कुराना आ गया। तुम मिले तो जादू छा गया, तुम मिले तो जीना आ गया। तुम मिले तो मैंने पाया है खुदा।
तुझ में किनारा दिखे, दिल को सहारा दिखे। आ मेरी धड़कन थामले, तेरी तरफ ये मुड़े, ये सांस तुझसे जुड़े। हर पल ये तेरा नाम ले। तुम मिले तो अब क्या है कमी, तुम मिले तो दुनिया मिल गई। तुम मिले तो मिल गया आसरा। तुम मिले तो जादू छा गया, तुम मिले तो जीना आ गया। तुम मिले तो मैंने पाया है खुदा।
Respected fathers, teachers, and my dear students, today we are once again gathered on this pleasant morning to celebrate the most important day for every country, that is Children's Day. No one will deny that children are the future and mirror of our dreams. Children are the image of God. Let's celebrate the spirit of childhood on this day. Austin Mali rightly said, a child is an uncut diamond, and to acknowledge and celebrate their potential and innocence, we celebrate Children's Day on 14th November, which is the birth anniversary of Chacha Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. It is indeed a day of beautiful memories for all of us too. It is a day for fun and frolic. Nehruji regarded children as future of our country. He said, the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring up them will determine the future of this country. On this day, I want to stress on this fact that childhood is the most crucial period of our lives. What you decide now in this age will determine which way your life will go. So, you should have a solid plan for your life, and for this, three things are very important. First, you have to believe in yourself. Always feel that you have worth. Secondly, you must be determined to achieve excellence. Whatever you do, do it best. Finally, your life must be committed to external principles of love and justice. Dear children, always keep moving. If you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. And if you can't walk, crawl. But by all means, just keep moving. It means you try to improve yourself every day. Every day brings a new opportunity. So rise up and grab it. Make this Children's Day a very special one of your life, because every day and every year counts. So lift up yourself and scale the unlimited sky with your wings. Happy Children's Day to all my loving children. God bless you. Thank you everyone.
Passion in the heart, zeal in the soul, courage to hold breath with tunes. Dear children, could you understand that this beating of the steps, synchronizations of the movement and smile in the face are to make you delighted and offer you the essence of the aesthetician's bonanza.
Kirdaka chunuta, dimta, kirdaka chunuta, dimta, kirdaka chunuta, dumta.
Dhum ta na 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 dhum ta na 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 dhum agappa.
Dom dom da na na de ra na 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 dom dom magasa.
Ragda dhum da da di ra na 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 na.
Da da dom da da dom da dom 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 da na na de ra na 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 dom.
Kirtana di ra na gama gama maga ma ba maga sa ni sa. Kirtana di ra na gama gama maga ma ba maga sa ni sa. Kirtana di ra na gama gama maga ma ba maga sa ni sa. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead.
Sapamagata kita tadi midirana. Sapamagata kita tadi midirana. Sa rigata bari, rigarini sa rigata bari. Sapamaga mama ga pagagari sanisa. Gari sanisa. ¿Dónde está mi ante? Say yeah yeah yeah.
हे शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई, सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई।
रास रचिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी, आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणाओ छे लावी ओ लावी ओ लावी।
ಇದು ಸಪ್ಪ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಲ್ತುಗಡ ಮಜಾಪಾ ಮಜಾಪಾ ಇದಾ 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 ಏ ರೆಡಿನಾ ವಾಡಾ ಬಾತಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले, चल ऐसा रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले।
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे, इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे।
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई, येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई।
हेलो हेलो तू मच है तुमने लगाई, येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई। धक 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 धड़के ये दिल छन छन बोले अंदर सारी चूड़ियां, रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी कर ले गल्ला घूड़ियां।
Mother Earth, who has created the wonders and gifts of nature that we are so lucky to live among. The Earth is the only planet in our solar system that humanity can comfortably inhabit. The Earth is a paradise for the creatures that live on it. It is an unfortunate fact that we have not taken good care of the land that has been placed in our guardianship. Our planet is in great danger. For the last 100 or so years, the people of Earth have wasted and misused the natural resources of Earth. Save our planet Earth. Taking care of Earth is not just a responsibility, it is a necessity. In the beginning, my children loved me. They truly did. They would laugh and play, calling me joyously to join in their games, never forgetting me. We were so happy and so free. They asked for only what I could offer them, and I asked for little in return, perhaps too little. Then, as they grew older, they changed. They no longer seemed happy in their lives and began searching for more, wanting something else that I couldn't offer them. Nothing seemed good enough anymore. It was almost as if I were being ignored. Did I neglect them? Did I do something to make them turn away? One dark night, when I had looked away in distress, they lost their innocence. A new path was found, and they left their old ways behind. No longer could I hold them and whisper lovingly in their ears. Those days were lost, never to be found again. I became a burden to them. But I tried to change. I tried to give them what they wanted. But I guess I didn't understand. They wanted more. So they came back and took from within me, scarring me deeply, never letting my wounds heal. They never saw my pain, kept on taking and taking from me. I'm so weak now. I have little more to give, but still they hurt me. I cried out in agony, but I'm not heard. I plead with my children, please stop all this pain. Don't you love your mother again? Do you want your mother to die? I gave you, my children, a tree, but you chopped it down. I gave you a river, but you defiled it. I gave you the sky, but you have darkened it with smoke from your non-ceasing fires. Will nothing make you love me again? I have given you my world, but you continue to destroy it. Have you forgotten your mother Earth?
The earth reveals its innocence through the smiles of children. A warm wish for all my children on this special day. Happy Children's Day. Each and every one of you are very close to my heart. Each and every child is a miracle. One thing I would like to remind all of you on this special day: always be a good human being. May God bless you. I love you, my students. Happy Children's Day once again.
Zoom meeting is soon to begin. Enter the correct meeting ID and passcode. Done? Oh, no error code, no connecting error. Dear you, what a laughter, what a fun, frolic and hilarious excitement you're going to express hereafter. Feel the octave present in the presentation that follows.
Disclaimer: this video is made for entertainment purpose only. It doesn't mean to hurt any. And don't take it seriously.
Get up! Your online class will start!
Oh, Mama, please let me sleep. I'll get up in 10 minutes. I'll wake up.
Get up!
Please let me sleep, Mama.
Get up!
I'll get up quickly.
A few moments later.
Oh my God! I'm so late for my classes. What have I done today? Oh my God! Let's get ready for my classes or else I'll be marked absent. What's wrong with the button today? Okay. Here I am.
Good morning, Jeet.
Good morning, sir.
Jeet, why did you join late for the class?
Sir, I was trying to connect to the class for a long time, but it was showing connecting and waiting for the host to start the meeting. So I was waiting and it was showing connecting, but somehow after 10 minutes it got into the meeting and I entered the class. So I was late, sir.
Roll number 7.
Oh no! Yes, sir.
Where are you going here and there?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing there? Why are you not concentrating in the class?
No, sir. My pencil box has fallen down, sir. All my things are scattered on the floor. That's why I'm trying to collect them all. I'm not eating anything, sir.
Keep your things properly and be attentive in the class. Because of you, all the class is disturbing. Keep your things properly, okay?
Good morning, students. Are you ready for your oral exam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's begin then. Roll number 1, the first question is for you. In whose remembrance do we celebrate Children's Day?
Yes, sir. Sir, I think due to network problem, I couldn't hear you. Can you please give me another question, sir?
Okay. Who was the first Prime Minister of India?
The first Prime Minister of India.
What did you say? I could not hear. Can you repeat?
The first Prime Minister of India was.
What is the problem? The answer cannot be heard.
Sir, maybe because of network problem you couldn't hear me.
Mama, what are you doing? You're making so much of noise. See, I'm going to market. Okay. Do one thing after the class. You send RCN and you keep the mobile there. Okay. You take part. Okay, Mama. Mama, please bring some chocolates for me. Please. See, 2 days before only I gave you the chocolate. No chocolate. Mama, please. Mama, please. Bye.
Yes, roll number 21. What is going on? Continuously I have seen that you are talking with someone.
No, sir. I'm studying.
Okay. Then tell me which part of the chapter I was explaining.
Good morning, class. So today let us start with a new chapter, and last day we have discussed few points, so we will start in a fresh way that what is art.
Excuse me, miss. I am roll number 50, Tanushree Roy. Miss, which chapter are we going to do today?
Last day I said that which chapter we are going to start. We had a discussion. What you were doing that day?
Miss, I was absent.
Why? Why you was absent?
Miss, there was a certain family thing, and I went to with my parents.
Okay, so your trip is more important for you than the classes, right?
It was a wonderful trip. After a long many days we went.
I understood it was a wonderful one, but your class is not important for you. then why you have come for the class? Why you are asking me? Why you are disturbing me by asking the same question? That which chapter, which portion we are going to start?
Game over.
Okay, let me just tell again once more that we are going to start with art surface. Now, what is art? First, you have to understand what are the different layers of.
Miss, may I be excused to go to washroom, please?
Now, what you was doing for the last 20 minutes break time?
I was writing the RCN of the last day. I collected from my friends.
Denied.
When you're supposed to write the RCN point and now you're writing the RCN point. You're supposed to write the RCN point that day itself. Last day's RCN point you're writing now.
I was absent though.
Okay, go and come fast as early as possible. Okay, so where were we? Yes, the different structure of the art surface. Now art basically, yes.
Miss, we have to write this. Miss, we have to write in our exercise book. Miss, with pencil, pen.
Tanushri, have some patience. Okay? Where you have to write, what you have to write, when you have to write, that I will instruct you. Why all the time you are disturbing me? How will I proceed with the chapter? How will I complete my syllabus? This is too much, Tanushri. This is not expected from you.
This is too much, Tanushri. This is not expected from you.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
My loving children, today we are conducting a voting in our class. Be honest and be true to yourself. Okay? Raise the hand in the participant list if you are not following any one of the categories that I am going to mention now. Are you following that? I am beginning. Becoming a late riser, unwilling to attend classes, feeling the classes as a movie hall, and eating snacks now and then. During the class, you are talking with your parents, joining classes late and starting the reason as network issue, showing signs of impatience and disobedience, and muting yourself to disturb the classes. If you are not following this one, please raise hand.
If any doubt arises, I prefer to use raise hand option in the Zoom cloud meeting or ask my teacher in the doubt clearance session.
That's great. I'm proud of you, Pushpa. You are doing wonderful. And I appreciate all others because you are honest to yourself. That will be great achievement. So my dear children, as we all know that morning shows the day, the student's life is the best time to begin a healthy and disciplined life. Hence, we have to go to bed early, wake up early, start the day with a prayer followed by the yoga and timely healthy breakfast, obey and respect your elders, be truthful and loyal to yourself on what you do, because you are the precious gift from the God to your parent. You are pride for your teachers. You are the builder of a brighter and prosperous and safer society. That's why teachers are always pushing you back, always supporting you. Understand? Go ahead. Now those who are agreed to respect the online classes and be sincere, kindly use the raise hand option. Very good. Thank you so much. Here we will take a promise. We will be the greatest gift for the future society. Happy Children's Day to ever-loving children. 14th November is a wonderful day when we get an opportunity to celebrate Children's Day. Every occasion that is celebrated in the entire year, you children plan something or the other for us. But this day, we get an opportunity to do something for you all. As we know, this is also a birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India after independence. He was the leader of our country who loved children to any extent possible. I believe that teachers become educators not only because of knowledge, but you students play a very important role in our lives. You make us understand who we are and what we meant to you. There are several instances when we scold you for your mistakes, but this does not justify that we dislike you all. We do this because we all love and admire you and want to prepare you as students for greater challenges in life. On this occasion, I want to give you a small advice. My dear students, always see yourselves as good human beings and nurture the right attitude. Never forget that you should respect and show gratitude to those who help you in your lives. We pray to God to guide you all the right path to which you achieve greatness and optimistic thinking and values. On behalf of all my teachers and non-teaching staff, I thank you all for being here. Wishing you all a very happy Children's Day and wish you the best for your future endeavors. May God bless you all. Thank you.
मुस्कुराहट पहन के तितली सी पल के हौले हौले देखे जहां, मीठी सी धुन पे ख्यालों में गुम है, तारों से बुन ले आसमां। दौड़े भाग छिपकर जुबां पे लेके शक्कर, कदम कदम ये चल दिए कहाँ। मखमली सी धुन पर मीठा मुस्कुरा कर, यादों से सजा दे दुनिया। नन्ही सी जान लाई भर के ये बोरिया, जादू से भर दे शाम दिन हो या दोपहरिया। मस्ती शरारतें है, बदमाशी आदतें है, नन्ही सी मुट्ठी यार बांटती है खुशियाँ। छोटी सी नन्ही सी चिड़िया है तू, प्यारी सलोनी सी गुड़िया है तू। सवार दे दुनिया जो मेरी खुशियाँ है तू। माँ का प्यारा दुलारा है तू, पापा के दिल का तो हीरा है तू। जान ले खुशियों से भरा पिटारा है तू। हथेली में उंगली थाम कर संग मेरे चलना सीखा कर, जिस और तू चला जिधर तेरे संग साथ में उधर। फिर किसी राह मोड़ पर नए नए ख्वाब देख कर, डर से मिला के तू नजर बड़ी लंबी उड़ान भर। चाहे फिर जैसी जोड़ अगर सपनों को दिल में थाम कर, बेखबर तू बेझिझक तू चल सफर तेरा। दौड़ भाग छिपकर फिक्र दिल में रखकर कदम कदम पे साथ दूं तेरा मखमली से धुन पर मीठा मुस्कुराकर यादों से सजा दे दुनिया नन्ही सी जान लाई भर के ये बोरिया जादू से भर दे शाम दिन हो या दोपहरिया मस्ती शरारतें है बदमाशी आदतें है नन्ही सी मुट्ठी यार बांटती है खुशियाँ